Today we will be solving algebraic expressions using substitution method. Example, we have two equations. Equation 1 is 3x plus 6y equals 12. Equation 2 is 5x minus 8y equals 2. Okay, so for step 1, let's take the first equation. We will be solving for x in terms of y. So let's copy the first equation. 3x plus 6y equals 12. So we will be eliminating the y variable from the left side. So if we want to remove it, so this is 6y, so meaning we will subtract. We will eliminate it from the left side of the equation. Whatever we do on the left side of the equation, we have to do it also on the right side. So it is like 3x plus 6y. So we will subtract 6y. And then on the other side, we will also be doing the same thing. We will subtract 6y. So on the left side of the equation, we have 6y minus 6y. It can be cancelled. So what remains on the left side will be 3x. And then on the right side, we have 12 minus 6y. So on the left side now, we have 3x. So what we are after, our target is for x to remain on the left side of the equation. So it means we have 3x here. We have to eliminate the 3. How do we do that? By dividing 3. For the 3x will be divided by 3. So we divide 3 from the left side of the equation. We will also have to divide on the right side of the equation. Therefore, on the left side of the equation, 3 divided by 3, this is just 1. So therefore, on the left side of the equation, we have x remaining. Now on the right side, so this is 12 minus 6y divided by 3. It is like it's the same as 12 divided by 3 minus 6y divided by 3. So therefore, it will be 12 divided by 3 is 4. 6y divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3, it will give us 2. So it will be minus 2y. So this is now our x. Okay, let's label this as our equation number 3. X equals 4 minus 2y. Let's label it as equation 3. Later, we will go back to this equation. Okay, so we have now our third equation, which is derived from equation 1. So x equals 4 minus 2y. Now we can use this value of x, although it's not a constant value yet. We will be substituting this value of x to equation number 2. So in equation number 2, it is 5x minus 8y equals 2. So substitute the value of x in this equation. We will be having 5 multiplied by whatever is the value of x in equation 3, which is 4 minus 2y. Okay, so 5x minus 8y is equal to 2. Then we just need to distribute. So we do the distributive property in multiplication. Five times 4 is 20. Then 5 times 2, 5 times negative 2y will be, so it will be minus 10y. Then we will just copy the remaining expression, the remaining terms in the expression. Okay, this is now our equation. Now we can merge together those with variable y, the terms with a variable y. So minus 10y and minus 8y, it will become, so 20, it will be minus 18y equal to 2. Okay, our target now here is for our y variable to be on the left side of the equation. So what we want is only y will remain on the left side. So therefore, on the left side here, we have the constant value 20. We will be subtracting 20 here on the left side so that 20 will be removed. So we have 20 minus 20. I'll just copy the minus 18y. Then whatever we did here on the left side, please take note we have subtracted 20 from here. We should also do it on the right side to maintain the equality. Okay, so the 20 and then my minus 20 here, 20 minus 20 is 0. So what is remaining in the on the left side of the equation is negative 18y. And then on the right hand side, we have 2 minus 20, we have negative 18. Again, our target is for y to remain on the left side. So we need to divide both sides of the equation with minus 18. Negative 18. So divided by negative 18, that means our y, so what remains on the left side now will be, so negative 18 divided by negative 18, it's 1. So y will be equal to 1. So we now have a constant or specific value for y, which is 1. This is the value of our y. So we already solved for the value y. The next thing we do will be to substitute this value in the previous equation we derived, which is equation 3. We have there the expression for x, the formula for x. So we will just substitute our value y to equation number 3. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so the value of y, we will substitute it to our equation 3. We will have x equals 4 minus 2 times 1 because our y is 1. So we will get 4 minus 2 times 1 is 2. So our x now will be 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is now our x. Therefore, the solution for these two algebraic equations will be x is 2 and y is 1. That's it. Thank you for listening.